How are you? Welcome back. After posting the last episode, I noticed the quality of the footage was a little off, so I decided to place an addendum with better material. This is definitely a Spirostomum Teres. Just my luck, no species named after me. They are about 1 mm long on average, so you can see them with low magnification or even with the naked eye. I have the impression they dominate their ecosystem. Only a few different species found there. Perhaps this is coincidence. The thread through their body is their DNA, called macronuclear nodules. The big spherical objects are their stomachs, called vacuoles. What you can't see is their cilia and the grooves in their skin. A different type of illumination is needed for that. The cilia is a coat of small hair, which moves in a wave pattern, like the public of a soccer game. This causes them to move through the water. Their skin exists out of a kind of fiber. The molecules of the fiber can change shape and cause them to extract or expand. They retract when the front end is touching something which is not food. A behavior more common in the cilia family. Spirostomum reproduces by binary fission. Reproduction may be purely asexual, or it may follow conjugation, during which compatible mating individuals come together and transfer genetic material across a cytoplasmic link. Seems more fun. When you enjoyed this content, please consider hitting the like button. This is a new channel and I can use all help. You want to see more, there should be a subscribe button somewhere.